Alright folks, so as you can see, I'm at Pull Apart. But not just any Pull Apart. I'm at the, I believe it's the North Atlanta Pull Apart. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia for training for work. So, when in Rome, might as well get some rust-free parts, right? Let's do it. Alright, so, walking through the yard here. Already found a few Tahoes, Suburban. I got my headlight clips I need, and a power steering line cooler. However, as you can see, I've found my exact Suburban, or Tahoe, rather, pretty much. 2 years newer. And the power steering line cooler is in better shape than the other one, so we're going to pull this one instead. Alright, same Tahoe. Finally found a trailer hitch that is mint condition. Not bent up. Still has the bracket. And isn't holding the car up. I didn't want to deal with having anyone come out and with a machine and lift it and move it for me. So, we'll work on getting this one out. Alright, so, got that out. There's a few more vehicles I'd like to look at, but it's getting late and I'm getting tired. So, I'm going to head back to the hotel. But, yeah, so my little haul today. I got the 4 headlight pins, power steering cooler, the plug that goes with the trailer hitch, because I'm sure the one I have is all corroded to hell. So yeah, we'll take this back to the house, fresh coat of paint, slap her on. I may or may not keep that. I might switch it over to a different style. I don't know yet, but I'll use that bracket to fabric cobble a bracket to hold the new one. So alright, let's head back to the counter. Alright, so I'm out of the scrap yard here, and as I said, I got the cooler, 4 pins, trailer hitch. Let's go with the pricing. Oil cooler, $24.75, which they're priced them online. They're like 70-80 bucks new. Trailer hitch receiver, $32.75. It's at least $200 if I bought a new one. Trailer hitch plug is $17.95. It's about average for a cheapo. And those clamps they did $1.50 each, so $6. Grand total after tax, environmental, and service fees is $95.44. I don't think I did too bad. Now we get to drive all the way back and shove this stuff on there one of these days. So, now that we got all that stuff, get to drive back north after tomorrow, and eventually we'll clean that stuff up and put it on, maybe when it's not snowing. So, yeah, that'll be fun. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more as always. And I'm going to have a lot more videos on the Tahoe to come, plus other stuff. So as I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a wiggle on, people.